बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। First of all, I thanks to the management of conference that they invited me in the conference. This is a good opportunity for me to share my experience and my suggestion in the among the participants. The question that what is the practice of the Pakistan regarding to the Sharia compliance, regarding to the products of Islamic banking. When in Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, Islamic banking is started from the 2000 in Islamic banking. And when start Islamic banking in Pakistan, we prepared products of Islamic banking, and we consider in the product for the three components. Number one, the Sharia basic principles and the Sharia basic rules and regulation. Number two, banking practice. What is the banking practice? We consider in the product the banking practice as well. Number three, the legal requirement and taxation issues. What is the taxation issues and legal requirement in the conference, in the agreement, in the products. When Islamic product is completed and Sharia scholars and legal department and banking practice and bank practitioners his clear and okay from the products in three components. This product is present to the State Bank of Pakistan after the permission of State Bank of Pakistan, Islamic banking, and Islamic banks start the product. In Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, every bank has a Sharia board. In Sharia board, 3 members of Sharia scholars in Sharia board. This is a compulsory requirement. Sharia compliance department. Basic the question that what is the practice of Sharia compliance department and other countries, and what is the good practice. The Sharia compliance department is the very, very big role and important role into the run Islamic banking. Sharia compliance department, this is a must to have a knowledge to according to the Sharia products and Sharia knowledge. Sharia compliance department firstly is check all documentation. Number two, according to the documentation, the business, what is the business to the adopted from the various department. Sharia compliance department is check the documentation, offer and acceptance, and all component of the products. For example, in Murabaha transaction, for example, number Sharia compliance department is check that the Murabaha transaction, that the agreement to Murabaha facility agreement is completed or not, and all requirement of Murabaha facility agreement is fulfilled or not. When he's fulfilled the Sharia Murabaha facility agreement, the Sharia compliance department is check that the pricing is completed. Number two, the in order form, for example, all the detail of the assets. For example, 5 types of the details in order form must be mentioned in order form. Number one, number the quality. Number two, quantity. Number three, pricing. Number three, the offer and acceptance. If anyone is mistake in the agreement, in order form or in Murabaha facility agreement, in offer and acceptance, his argument and inform to the Sharia board that the this mistake is happened from this agreement. The Sharia board, after his complaint, Sharia board has decided that the income of this product is okay, is halal or not. After the decision of Sharia board is informed to the management that this agreement is the okay or not. Similarly, the Ijara agreement and house finance agreement and other agreement, Sharia compliance department is check all of the documentation and check all the details and inform time to time to Sharia board and submit the report to the Sharia board in Sharia board meeting. In the consumer financing, for example, car financing, or for example, diminishing musharka financing, the Sharia compliance department is check all the detail of the products. Number 2, branch visit. Sharia compliance department is its responsibility to properly arrange the branch visit. When Sharia compliance department his go to the branches, he's check the deposits details, that the account opening form is fulfilled according to the Sharia, according to the law, and distribution of profit is properly distributed between the account holder. Everything checked by the Sharia compliance department. In Pakistan, I have adopted the good practice that some branches and some documentation is checked by the Sharia board members as well. For example, one Sharia compliance department is go to some branches. The Sharia board member as well is visit to the branches with the Sharia compliance department as well to check that the compliance department is work according to the rules and regulation and according to the line of the delivered to the Sharia compliance department. This practice is adopted by some Islamic banks in Pakistan and abroad. The role of Sharia, the training of the Sharia department is very, very important. Because if Sharia compliance department is not have a knowledge and have not the regular training to the Sharia compliance, that the Sharia compliance department is not work according to the Sharia and according to the properly rules regulation of the State Bank of Pakistan. This is some practices adopted from the Sharia compliance department. If Sharia board is feel that Sharia compliance department work under the supervision of the Sharia board. This is a very, very important. He's the freedom. This is a very important. He's a get a freedom from the management, but under the supervision of the reporting line to the Sharia compliance department to the Sharia board. Sharia board has decided that the Sharia compliance department, his work is according to the rules regulation, and this is have a knowledge to sufficient knowledge for according to the Sharia, according to the bank's regulation as well. Therefore, the very important the Sharia compliance department. Sharia compliance department is decided that the fulfill of the agreement is according to the rules and regulations, because sometimes the in consumer products, for example, in consumer products, sometimes the rate of the profit is not written at the time of the signature of the client. This is by mistake. This happened by the marketing team. Marketing team get the signature in blank letter, and after the signature of the client is fulfill the blank area. This is not according to the Sharia, but the Sharia is demand that the clarification of the pricing, clarification of the detail of the product is very, very important, necessary. Therefore, the Sharia compliance and role of the Sharia board is very important in the Islamic banking industry.